If you think strong data guarantees product adoption, then buckle up. If you're launching a product in the next 2 years or know someone who is, this video is a must watch. Don't fall prey to what kills so many great innovations. You've probably heard this 1,000 times. You might have even said it yourself. Given the strong clinical evidence, once we get approval, product adoption should take care of itself. But in healthcare, that's the biggest myth in commercialization. It has a name, the product adoption lie, the belief that better products naturally win. Most leaders assume adoption is automatic. Teams validate the science, secure regulatory approval, build a sharp launch plan, and expect the market to follow. But here's what actually happens. Markets don't buy what's better. They buy what they already believe in, even when something better exists. And until belief shifts, behavior doesn't. That's why 2 out of 3 healthcare launches fail to meet initial projections and never catch up. Not because the innovation is weak, but because the status quo is strong. Most companies respond by doing the same thing. You pour everything into proving the technology and launch with evidence. The problem? Producing data is not the same thing as producing demand. So, how do you solve the disconnect before it impacts your launch trajectory? That's where the product adoption line map comes in. The first, internal alignment. How clearly and consistently your company defines the problem it exists to solve and aligns decisions around that definition. The second, market readiness. How ready the market is to believe, behave, and buy differently based upon the story you've already been teaching it. When you look at your organization and the market with these two views, you can end up in one of 4 readiness states. The first and best is primed for pull. You've built belief before launch. The market already measures success by your definition. Adoption accelerates. The second, internal mirage. Strong story inside, weak traction outside. Awareness is building, but external conviction isn't. The third, launch fragility. You're scaling before belief is built. Activity rises, but adoption doesn't. The fourth, alignment gap. Smart people, different assumptions. The internal misalignment is confusing the market. Your readiness state determines whether your next launch will either make the market come to you or collapse under pressure. And if you're not in primed for pull, you're not ready to launch yet. And here's the key mindset shift. The goal isn't to celebrate your internal conviction. The goal is to surface risk while you can still fix it. So when you think about your next launch, don't just ask, how good is our product? Ask 2 key questions. What unproven assumptions are we making about how our buyers will change their behavior? And 2, where would we land on this map, honestly? Because markets don't buy what's better, they buy what they already believe in. And until belief shifts, behavior doesn't. So watch the next video in this series, Symptoms of the Product Adoption Lie, and explore more about the product adoption lie on our dedicated resource page.